everyone, I'm Bobby from Pabs kitchen. Today we are making a very comfort and easy Nepali side dish, stir-fry spinach. This dish reminds me my past days when I used to live in Kathmandu alone, coming back from work hungry and grab a bunch of spinach on the way and make it quickly and eat it hot with warm rice. It used to be my meal and I really used to love it. I'm going to make it with very few ingredients and it's going to be delicious. Let's begin. I have here 400 grams of fresh spinach. I just brought it from local grocery store so you can see it's not clean yet. So let's clean very well its stems and leaves as well as roots. I love cooking roots if they are soft like this here. If you don't want to use the roots, then just remove it. Let's bring to clean. Clean it, its leaves and stems as well as the roots with a small knife like this. And cut it in the middle lengthwise like shredded and separate the stems. Then do like this for the rest. I'm cooking whole, but if you want to cut it in small size, then do it. Now all is clean. Next, here I have the rest of the ingredients. 2 medium size of tomatoes diced into small cubes, 4 cloves of large garlic sliced like this, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger sliced in strips, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. You can use any type of cooking oil, 2 dried chilies, and a few pinches of salt or to your taste. These are all ingredients we need. For the full recipe, please go to my website papskitchen.com and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, okay? Next, we have here a wok with the gas on high heat because we are stir frying. Let's wait until it gets hot. The wok is hot. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let oil to get hot. Now break the chili and put in the oil. Sliced garlic and ginger strips. Keep a little bit to garnish. Give it a mix to infuse in the oil. Then when they get slightly brown like this, add diced tomatoes. Give it a good mix and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. We can see tomatoes are soft now. Now I am adding all spinach. Mix well to combine with the lovely tomato sauce. It does seem a lot, but don't worry, it won't be like this after we fried couple of minutes. Then let it fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until all gets soft. Meanwhile, you can still stir a couple of times. After a couple of minutes, you can see water coming out from the spinach. See? So we don't need more water to add unless if you want more sauce, then add couple of tablespoons. Now it's soft and reduce a lot. I'm adding a few pinches of salt. Stir well and let it fry for a minute or 2. Looks so delicious and it smells so good. Spinach just have to cook halfway through. Now we are done. Let's transfer to a serving plate. Look at this, so tempting. It is really a comfort hot side dish for the winter. Garnish with the ginger strips. It goes really well with spinach. I love it. Now I'm going to taste. I have here a bowl of warm rice. Let's put the spinach on top with the garlic and the sauce. Oh my god, looks so delicious. I can't wait. So nice. This is such a simple side dish and really doesn't take any time to cook. I really enjoy every bite. This dish is for everyone, vegan, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. I hope you give it a try. So today we make really delicious side dish stir-fry spinach in Nepalese style. I hope you like it. That's all for now. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more delicious cooking recipes. Give a like if you enjoy this video and check out the link to my website for amazing recipes in the description below. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching today and goodbye.